So Dean with I Buy Cool Stuff, and been working at this diligently for a week and a half. So we're going to review some of my buys from the last week or so, and should be able to see most of this on the videos we've filmed and shown you. So let's just go over some of them here real quick. So one of the things you seen me buy, that was an SKS Stock and Sling. I'll probably get, I paid 10, we'll probably get 40 to 50 out of the stock and probably 15 or so out of the sling. Bought a real nice little Wyandotte truck. This come at a coin club that I belong in that has a weekly meeting that we go to. And at that meeting, they have a little auction every week. And so because I belong to the coin club, I go to the meetings. They had that at the meeting for the auction, and I got it for $40, probably right around 100, give or take. This is the 03A3 that I bought, and is now fully assembled. I gave 2.5 for the gun, probably another 50 or 60 for the stock that I give. So got about 320 into it. Probably get right around 900 out of it when I sell it. I picked up a couple nice knives. The one is this one here is a PAL World War II fighting knife. This is just a oddball stacked leather though. Fighting type knife. Somebody homemade the sheath for it. It's kind of gitchy, but it's cool enough. So I've got 50 bucks into them. Probably get about 120 for the pair when I'm done. I bought a cool lantern. Very cool. This I got at the Sporting Collectibles show. It is a Coleman 242B, I believe. Not sure if we can get this to focus up under here. Let me see. Goes. Oh, might be looking at the wrong spot. I think oh, here's the model number. Okay, so it's a 242B Coleman. So it's got the original glass, I believe. I know that's a big thing to have this original glass in it. Coleman glass. I bought 3 of these fine scale kits. I've already sold one on eBay. I paid $100 a piece. The one I sold on eBay, I got $265 out of. The Duffies I also sold for $265. I've got to pack it up and ship it. So I'm at $500. The bottom one I'm asking $3 on, so should work out. And then at the Sporting Collectibles show, because you don't know, like I said, that came from a coin club meeting. This came at a Sporting Collectibles show. So it's real nice. It's Aurora in an original box. TJets. And it's beautiful condition. So it's got the Jaguar. Is that the Impala? So it's got both of the cars in beautiful shape. Directions and all. Controllers. I haven't been through the box. Box is in nice shape. And this come from the Sporting Collectibles show. Which it shouldn't have been there, but which means nobody was going to buy it. So I bought it at the end of the show. I gave 80 bucks for it. I'm figuring it's got to be right close to 200. Give or take. Just because it's so nice in the box. What a classic box from 1965, I believe. So, but that's what you got to do. You got to go out and find stuff. So, go out, find some stuff for yourself. Like, subscribe, and go find some stuff. And you have a good day.